Sophia, Ameca, and Tesla are advanced humanoid robots. Each robot serves different purposes, with Sophia excelling in social AI, Ameca in realistic human interactions, and teslabot focusing on practical labor automation. Sophia is an AI-powered humanoid robot known for its human-like appearance and conversational abilities. It has been designed for social interaction and AI research. It engages in natural conversations using speech recognition and AI-driven responses. It mimics human facial expressions with a realistic face made of a patented Frubber skin material. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, is focused on automating repetitive or dangerous tasks, particularly in industrial and household environments. It can walk, carry objects, and perform basic physical tasks. It uses Tesla's AI to navigate and interact with environments. It is designed to handle objects and tools with precision. Ameca is designed as the world's most advanced humanoid robot in terms of natural interactions and realistic gestures. It has smooth, natural facial movements and micro-expressions. It offers multimodal communication through speech, gestures, and expressions. It can connect to various AI models for real-time conversation and updates. Sophia adapts and improves over time through interactions. She can recognize emotions, answer questions, and participate in interviews and public events. She is used in AI ethics discussions, research, and education. Sophia's movement is limited compared to other humanoid robots, focusing more on upper body gestures and speech rather than full body mobility. teslabot is equipped with cameras and sensors for object recognition and environmental awareness. It is aimed at tasks like manufacturing, logistics, and domestic assistance. teslabot is still in development, with capabilities primarily limited to basic tasks and mobility, with future improvements expected in AI autonomy. Ameca can respond in real time to human expressions and actions. Parts of Ameca such as arms and head can be upgraded or replaced. Ameca currently lacks full walking capabilities but is designed to support future mobility enhancements.